Now the next part of the question asks for angle TPQ, right? They're asking for TPQ. Now what they're saying is angle TPQ. That's part 2, right? Part 2. TPQ. Let's see how you deal with that. First of all, where's TPQ? TPQ. The angle that they want is this. What is this angle equal to? Now, let's see how you deal with this. If you should draw a line, a straight line, my line isn't so straight. Let me try that again. Want a straight line from T to Q. A bit straighter. Now, the angle that lie on the card in alternate segments, they will add up to 180 degrees. All right. One example of that is when you have the diameter. This angle would be 90 degrees, and this angle is also 90 degrees. So these in alternate segments, remember the card cuts this circle into 2 segments. In this case, one up here, the other here. These 2 areas. This would be one segment, this would be the other segment. In alternate segment, they add up to 180 degrees. Another case I like to think of where that happens is when you have this circle and you have this card. You're making the card very small right down at this area. Let me magnify it. This is the card. You're trying to make this angle greater and greater, approaching 180 degrees, because it's pressing down this card here, making it closer and closer to the circumference. These two, this angle on the triangle is getting wider, but here, this angle up here is getting narrower. This is approaching 180 and this is approaching 0, and you know 180 plus 0 is 180. Alright, so that might help you to remember that when you have angles in alternate segments on the same card, they add up to 180 degrees, 180 degrees. Now, what I'm looking at is this angle here, and I'm also looking at this angle here. These two will add up to 180 degrees because they're lying on the card TQ. Now, what is this angle? TRQ. What is TRQ? Well, you know that the total angle on a straight line is 180 degrees, and this section here is 60. So if you have 180 and you take 60 off, what you have left is this, and this angle would be 120 degrees. All right, right here is 120 degrees. So TPQ is 120 degrees. Now TP, oh, that's not T, this TRQ, right? R is here. 120 degrees. Now TPQ plus TRQ adds to 180. Now TRQ is 120, so TPQ plus 120 is equal to 180. So that means TPQ is 180 minus 120, and that gives 60 degrees. Alright, so this angle here is 60. TPQ is equal to 60 degrees. And remember, you should use up the space, write down this and the other explanations, write them out in English if you want to, but it's preferably that you write them out mathematically like this. Alright, but write down what it is that you're doing, because remember, they say show detailed working where necessary and give a reason to support your answer.